Hello friend, welcome you all to Life Running tutorial. In today's session, we're gonna learn about condition monitoring, method of condition monitoring, and three maintenance types, which are very advantageous and effective way for carrying smooth production. To know the reason behind implementing such maintenance activities, let's start from beginning. Machine. It is a mechanical structure of simple or complex design that perform a specific task through its generated power or energy source. With increasing modernization, it also comes with joint structure of electrical and electronic device to perform more complex tasks. Such advanced structure is also termed as machineries. Due to these features, the installation of type of machine in any industries depend on its purpose and specification. Even after having such a better features, none of the machine can act as a perfect or ideal machine, as the life of any machineries or equipment cannot be predicted. After a certain period of times or long run of operation, the usefulness tend to fall down. The loss of energy or power due to friction or abnormal behavior reduces the efficiency as well as may lead to failure. Therefore, it is mandatory for an engineer or technician to minimize such losses as possible as they can for smooth running of production. And this can only be solved through maintenance and a better top level management strategy. Before implementing any sort of maintenance, it is important to review the condition of machine through collected data, and these data are obtained through condition monitoring. So, the condition monitoring is defined as the process of monitoring the parameter of condition in a machine which helps to determine the developing failure. In simplex form, we know that during the long run of operations or inappropriate operation, the machineries get influenced to exposure of high temperature pressure, cyclic load, or hostile environment, due to which there occurs a formation of fatigue, residual stress, and sometimes even microstructural degradation. Such abnormal conditions generally encountered through different parameters like vibration, noise, temperature, infrared radiation, etc. The data obtained from condition monitoring is well analyzed, and depending upon the requirement, maintenance activities is carried on. Here, the critical components are well handled and decreases the unplanned maintenance. Now, the techniques of condition monitoring. In this video, we are not going in detailed explanation of it, but let's just remember its type and subtypes. Basically, it is of three major types, that is signature analysis, condition-based analysis, and non-destructive evaluation. Under non-destructive evaluation, we have five major techniques along with its own subcategories, that is vibration monitoring techniques, ferrography, acoustic emission techniques, infrared radiation thermography, and field signature. Now, let's move to our third part of the video where we know the difference of these three maintenance types. We know that unplanned maintenance implemented only when there is catastrophic failure. Among the different types of unplanned maintenance, corrective maintenance is one which is implemented only when failure has occurred. However, it is different from breakdown maintenance, as the action to be prepared for maintenance activity is well planned, where in breakdown maintenance, maintenance activities is planned only when event has occurred. Now, let's move to our second types, that is creative maintenance. As the failure has occurred, effective maintenance activities must be implemented. So, it would be better to review the suggestion of worker or technician instead of individual inaction to prevent from repetitive failure. Third type is curative maintenance. In this type of maintenance, the fault is not only repaired, but the very cause of failure is too identified and action is taken to rectify the cause. It falls under unplanned maintenance and implemented at critical component to avoid the stoppage of production. So, hope you all understand my video. If you have any queries regarding it, please ask me in comment section. Thank you.